Here the question, it's trigonometry question. Here some the grid shows the graph y equal to cos x. This is a cos x graph. Okay, fine. So we'll go for the first question. Solve the equation 3 cos x equal to 1. So 0 to 360, that means one cycle. Give your answer one decimal place. Solve means we need to find out x. So we write 3 cos x equal to 1. So cos x equal to 1 by 3. So x equal to cos inverse of 1 by 3. So what is cos inverse of 1 by 3? Which is 70 point approximate. So 70 point 5287, 70.5287, keep going. So, but our question says one decimal place. So we'll round up one decimal place, which is equal to 70.5. So the first answer is 70.5. So in this cycle 0 to 360, we need to find the second answer. So this is our unit circle. Here, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third, and fourth. First quadrant, all are positive. So, all positive. Here only sign positive. Here turn positive. Here cos positive. Okay, so here for us we need to find cos equal to 1 by 3. That means the answer from first quadrant and the last quadrant means fourth quadrant. So first quadrant we got 70.5. So second answer from is a fourth quadrant. Here is 70.5, approximate is here. So here is a positive, so the reflection here 70.5. So we can do 360 minus 70.5, we'll get the answer. 360 minus 70.5, the answer is 289.5. So the second answer is 289.5, because 0 to 361 cycle cos is positive for two quadrant, which is first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So we'll get two values. Next question. On the same grid, sketch the graph y equal to sin x. 0 to 360, the cycle. So first you need to use calculator, find no problem. Okay, check first what is sin 0. Sin 0 is going to be 0, the first point here. Next, check what is sin 90. Sin 90 going to be 1. Next to sin 180. Sin 180 is going to be 0. Next to sin 270 is going to be -1. Next to 360 going to be 0. So we draw this is the required graph. Okay, first question from trigonometry. So we do the second question. Second question from circle. Here the diagram shows a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, ABD and AC intersect at X. So here some angles are given. BAD is 74 and BCA equals 34. Okay, find the angle of BDA. BDA, we need to find this angle. Here, see, AB is the chord. From the same base, two angles subtending. This angle and this angle, two triangles are subtended. So here, always seems for this. From the same base, when you draw how many triangles on the circle, all the angles must be same. So this angle, this angle, this angle, all are equal. So same way here is 34, here also is 34. So the first answer will write 34. Next, angle BCD. Angle BCD. So we need to find out this angle. So I'll erase the first one. Yeah, this is 34 we just got. So we need to find the entire angle BCD. So we are using now cyclic. Cyclic, all four C, A, B, C, D on the circle. So cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles always 180 degree. So angle B AD plus angle BCD is 180 degree because of cyclic. Already we know this is 74 plus BCD equal to 180 degree. So angle BCD equal to 180 degree minus 74, which is 106. Okay, third one, angle ABD. Angle ABD. So we are going to find this angle. Again, the angles are printed from the same base. So look at this, a straight line, there's a chord. Here this angle, this triangle, and this triangle. Two triangles are from the same line. So here is this angle and this angle is equal. Just now we found BCD equal to 106. So already this angle is 74. The left going to be 72. Here is 72. Here is 72. Then this angle also going to be 72 because angles are from the same base. So 72. Okay, so next question. The diagram triangle ADX. 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 Okay, so I draw here ADX and triangle BCX. So this triangle both are similar. So then we need to find BC. Some values are given. We need to find XD. So these two triangles are similar in the ADX. AD and BC are in the equal ratio. AD over BC equal to then CX. So then DX over CX. So this is the equal ratio because of the similar. So values are given 4.5 over, sorry, the numerator is 9. 9 by BC is 4.5 equal to, we need to find this dx. So we can write xd as well. So xd by 3.3. So now we need to calculate xd equal to 9 times 3.3 over 4.5 equal to xd. The answer is going to be 6.6. So this answer is 6.6 centimeter.